Kakaapak na ako sa sand. Ayan. Yan, ito yung na-rent naming sasakyan, Nissan Patrol 4x4. Ito din yung gagamitin mamaya papasok dun sa desyerto. Wow! Oh my God! Tayo sa desyerto. Kakaapak na ako sa sand. Ayan. Puro 4x4 yung nandito. So try natin mag-rent ng ATV kung kaya. Pero naambon kasi.
Try mo? Kaya mo yan? Naka-okay na to? Naka-okay na to?
Recording.
Recording. Kano naman yung scarf na yan? 40. Ha? Ewan ko.
So ayan mga Benatics, nagpalagay tayo na ito. And magsa sand dunes tayo. Nag-rent tayo ng ATV for 100 dirhams. Let's go.
Ah, c'est x2, c'est une meilleure sensation.
Okay. Ayan. So, ayan, dito tayo magsa sand dunes. Ha, enjoy ito. Let's go.
68, 67, 42, 62, 42.
Eto na, let's go.
देखते हैं यार, घूम जो आपके पीछे क्या देखें? Stand bro, stand, stand. You sit man. Okay. Slowly. Sit bro. This one brake stop, this one accelerator go. That's it. Careful. Slowly drive bike. No insurance. Okay, let's go.
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you, all made up. Dirty thoughts that seep into my mind. I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She went that room, she know just what to do. Moving that body, she dancing and shaking. It's making her crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping her model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush. And everything that we taste feels like a drug. Da 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 da. 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 Da 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 da.
Ngayon, ang isa sa pinakamahirap na magiging challenge mo dito is hanapin yung sasakyan nyo. Kasi dito, mahilig sila sa kulay puti. And almost all ng mga service nila dito ay kulay puti. Ayan. So, Nissan Patrol na puti yung sa amin. Dapat tandaan mo yung plate number kasi puro kulay puti nga yung mga sasakyan dito. Rekta na kami dun sa may camp. And mas marami pang mga adventures na may experience natin dun. Ayun, paambon-ambon, makulimlim. Pero okay lang, hindi sobrang inat, di ba? Yan, ito yung na-rent naming sasakyan, Nissan Patrol 4x4. Ito din yung gagamitin mamaya papasok dun sa desierto. So hindi na kami magpapalit ng sasakyan. This is a desert ready. So wala naman siyang mga spikes or anything, pero sabi nga nung driver, ito na daw yung ipapasok dun sa desierto. Kaya tara, biyahe ulit tayo. Malayo-layo pa.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Been surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, watch out, I'm coming, yeah. I know, I'm a hustler, I go. Got me running, got me running. With bros, I won't go back, go past, so fast. I'm going, go fast, big splash, all cash. Like watch me as I take off. I'll be working until I have all of my days off. Now I'm surfing in California when I'm paid off. I'll be blurring my vision, sipping on that bass sauce. La da da, I'll be eating Kobe steak high. La da da, got that fish sushi grade raw. La la la, I'm on vacation, I'm a stay. La la la, now I'm taking all my days off. La la la, yeah, I'll be in the top spot. I'ma be a boss. In a penthouse, jacuzzi, turn it hot tub. On the roof, waiting for me is a chopper. Cha cha cha.
Grabe. Woo! Grabe yun. Solid. Ayun, tingnan nyo yung mga sasakyan, no? What a nice experience. Grabe, kawawa yung ano, kawawa yung Nissan Patrol.
Ate, videoan mo, te.
Yan.
Solid. Ang oras dito mga Benatics ay 5:21 na, so medyo madilim na, no? Tapos makulimlim dito sa desierto ngayon. Dito kami sa Sharjah. And yan, larga na. Let's go.
Watch out for her dark side. Yeah, she got some sharp eyes. See her for the first time. Never let her out my sight. I just wanna stay up. Look at you, I'm made up.
What's up mga Benatics? Nandito na kami ngayon sa may camp. So medyo malayo yung binyahe galing dun sa sand dunes kung saan kami lipad-lipad sa mga sand. Grabe si Kuya driver, sobrang lupit. So eto naman, camp naman to. So pwede kayo mag-camping dito. Pero ewan ko lang kung magka-camp kami. May mga camel dito, ayan. Ayan, so free daw yung camel ride. Ayan. So sakay tayong camel.
Okay, I want beer.
Brother, camel's free.
Free.
Okay.
Where? Sasakay kami?
Oh.
Wala, sorry. Sorry, doon kami, no?
Ha?
Tigisa tayo.
One here, one there?
Yeah.
Two. Together. Hold tight, lean back.
Ems, baba mo yung paa mo! Yan!
Nice, camel ride mga Benatics. Yung kasama ko nervyosa. Ninervyos. Nervyos natin. Let's go. Matalbog, pangit yung suspension.
Oo.
Pangit yung suspension ng camel na to. Mukhang China.
Huwag mo kaming ihulog, ha. Huwag mo kaming ihulog, ha, friend.
Ayan, so tatlong camel. Magkakasunod lang naman
Bakit
sila.
hindi na tayo pinasakay doon, oh? Nagtain naman to. Pwede
Baka
naman
pagod na yan.
Ba yan, mas malaki pa nga yun.
Sasakit lang yung likod nyo dito. Yun lang yung experience ko. Matalbog siya. Malala pa sa kabayo. Hold tight. Grabe, nakakatakot pag yung ano.
Bedjo! Bedjo!
Nakakatakot pag yung tatayo tapos uupo.
Yeah, this is a brand. Same like me. Same like me.
Yan sila. Thank you for the ride.
Oh, tae!
It's okay, go.
Hindi mo ba alam na masarap maano to sa kataw sa tiyan?
What do you call this?
mo yung akin.
Gawa. Let's try gawa.
Welcome.
Lasa ano siya? Pinakulong medyas. Pag pala nag-Dubai Safari kayo na package, pag nandito na kayo sa camp is libre lahat. Kasama na yun sa binayaran nyo. Kaya sulitin nyo na lang din.
Bago shawarma.
This is shawarma.
Shawarma.
Kuha tayo ng shawarma. Tapos may henna tattoo din doon. Libre lang din daw. Pero ayoko kasi dumi.
Shawarma.
Thank you. Ito siya, starter. So, may show dyan mamaya. Yan, may show sila dyan mamaya. Ito yung free food nila dito mga pinatik. So buffet lang. Buffet yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa mga yan. Basta ayan. Dinner tayo. Let's go. Tapos na yung show dito sa camp mga Venatics, and dito ko na rin tatapusin tong buong vlog ng desert safari namin. So ayan, maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana laging masarap ulam nyo at sana laging malambot unan nyo. Once again, this is Ben in Dubai. Peace.